Hey guys, today we are going to show you some information about the lace closure. There are three main kinds of lace closure in the hair market. So today we are going to show you one by one. The first one is the brown lace closure. You can see it is not so retro, and you can see the edge easily. The second one is a little better. It is transparent lace closure. It is more retro, but you still can see the edge. The third one is 3HD lace closure. And you can see it's very retro on skin. It's very difficult to see the end. However, more and more surprised. They said, yes, we got HD lace closure. However, they just ship you the transparent lace closure. So today we are going to share the tip about how to distinguish for the HD lace closure and the transparent lace closure. Look, this one is transparent lace closure. You can see the edge. And this one is 3HD lace closure, and that's the edge. And also today we are going to use the magnifying glass to check the detail. That's the transparent lace closure. You can see it, the end. And this one is 3HD lace closure. You can see the end. And this is the transparent. And you can see if we put together, thank you for your time. Hope our information helped you.